Hello, how are you? I am back again with a brand new car boot sale and charity shop haul. These are just some of the items that I have bought recently and I have more to show you, so make sure you subscribe and watch some more of my videos. I found an incredible selection of fashion and homewares. Most of it I am going to keep, but a couple of it I am going to put on my vintage. So if you see anything you love, make sure you put in the comments if you like it and if you want to buy it, because I will let you know if I'm going to keep or sell. Anyway, let's have a look and dive in. So first of all, this is right at the top of the bag and it is so cute. It is literally brand new and never used. The lady said that her husband, or maybe her son, somebody bought it for her from Thailand, I think. I really didn't remember the information, did I? But it is so cute. I just thought it was adorable. And she said, oh, it's only £1. And then I got home and realised she had actually wanted £2 for it. So yeah, lucky me. It was even cheaper than she planned. And I just think it's so cute. Look at that rose. I think it's actually really cute with today's outfit. Look at that. How cute is that? I just think it's adorable and it's a nice size as well. So yeah, that's my first item, £1. Then next up, I must have looked crazy when I bought this, but I just love Christmas crockery. My dream is to own so much Christmas crockery that we can just use it all December long. And yeah, I dream of owning the Spode collection as well. I just saw this, I thought it was adorable. It was £1 and I could even hang it on the wall, but I don't know, I might serve cakes on it or something, but I just thought it was so cute. It's obviously quite old and I just love the print. And that was £1. Next up, I actually bought this for my mum. However, if she's not into it, I'll probably resell it because it is by the brand Sahara. I don't know if you know them. They're very expensive. They're very luxy and lovely. And yeah, it was £5 this dress. So yeah, I've offered it to my mum. Hopefully she'll like it. But if not, I'll probably resell it. But I'm really hoping that she'll be into it. And Sahara is such a lovely brand, beautifully made. Gorgeous fabrics, beautiful designs. So that is the next item. And it's very rare I find Sahara, so I was really proud of that one. And then this next item, my friend told me not to buy. She was like, no, I don't think you should buy that. And I bought it anyway. It is vintage. If you have a look at the label, I think it's like 90s. And it is Wednesday Addams merch. I don't really know what it was promoting, but I just thought it was cool. It's kind of like a band t-shirt, but Wednesday Addams, and I just thought it was cool. It's not from kind of like the latest Netflix series. It is much older. I just thought it was really cool. I don't know what I'm going to wear it with. I just had to have it, and it was £3, so a little bit spendier, but I just really wanted it. Next up, oh my god, this dress is so good. It's classic Y2K vibes, and it's got that kind of like wooden seashell-y halter neck thing going on. It's not really, I'm not really showing it very well here, but it is maxi length. And yeah, it was just so cool, so colourful, and it is vintage Y2K. It's from Select originally, and I got this from a car boot sale, and I think I will probably put it on my vintage because I can't really pull off this kind of style, but I just thought it was amazing, and it was £1, so I thought I would pass it on to a Y2K girly and make myself a little bit of money. So that is the next item. And oh my god, I completely forgot I got this, a little baby sham glass. This was 50p and I have not seen one of these in years. I know they used to be really collectible, but I don't know, I just saw it and I was like, oh, I'm gonna get that, why not? So yeah, you never know, maybe we'll drink baby sham out of it one day. Next up, I got some soaps from the car boot sale. A lady was selling them. I'm guessing she got them as a gift and didn't want them. Not everybody likes soap. I personally do. And these were 50p each. They're very natural, really nice fragrances. And I stood there for ages thinking, oh, which one shall I buy? Which one? And then I just thought, I'll buy them all. They're 50p each. That's so cheap. So yeah, I got all 4 of them. And then from the same lady, I got this, which is a little Soap and Glory set of the hand cream and the foot cream, and that was £1, which I thought was really good. I know Soap and Glory's not expensive, but £1 for these two I thought was amazing. And then I have no idea what I'll do with this, but I just thought it was cute. It's Wade, here you go, and it's like a little tree trunk thingy-mabob. I can't imagine I could even plant anything and grow, so I don't know what I'm going to do with it. Like, what are these meant for? Like, I literally have no idea, but it was 50p. And it's from Wade and it was cute and vintage. I don't know, maybe I'll put some jewelry in it. I don't know what to do with things like that. And then I got this, which I think I'm gonna turn the camera around to show you, but it's basically a cute little cropped cardigan lace thing. I might try it on with this dress. It might work. So yeah, let me turn the camera around and show you. Okay, this is the first time I'm trying it on. I don't actually know if I'm fully pulling it off. Maybe I am actually. Maybe I am pulling this off. I don't know. Anyway, it's from Yours Clothing, and I think it's giving kind of like 90s witchy vibes, which I'm always into. Like, I love a 90s witchy vibe. But yeah, it's just a little cropped lace layering item, and I just thought it was cute. Like, that's cute, right? Just gives a little something to the dress. It's giving, I don't know, it's giving witchy vibes. I'm here for it. And this was also £1, and yeah, originally from Yours Clothing, many moons ago, I'm guessing. What do you think? Okay, and I have one last item to show you, and this is crazy. Like, I was honestly shocked when I saw this. It is, no joke, a brand new with tags, never fully dressed, like top. It's a shirt. It says it's a size 14. However, I'm gonna give it a go because it could work on me. But the print is fantastic, and yeah, I just love this brand, and I thought I have to try it. So I might try it now. Okay, it's on and it fits, but I have no idea what skirt to try it with. Should I try it with this one or this one? Maybe this one. Let's give it a go. I actually don't know what I'll wear this with. I could always layer it under a dress and kind of wear it as a bit of a pinafore. Let me try this skirt though, just see how we get on. Okay, this skirt is really not working. I don't know what I was thinking. I could try like a bit of a half tuck, but I just don't think it's gonna happen. I don't know what to wear it with. I'll try the other skirt. Is this any better, or am I deluded? Yeah, I don't know. I'll have a play around, but it does fit. The print is phenomenal. And yeah, I don't know if I'll layer it under a dress with a skirt. Maybe it does work with this in a kind of mixy, matchy kind of way. Like if I layer on a load of like jewelry and a bag and maybe a cardigan, maybe it will work. I don't know, but I just thought the print is so cool. It's giving tropical psychedelic. And I can't remember if I told you the price, but it was £5. Brand new, with tags, and never fully dressed, for £5. So I just was like, I have to have it. So yeah, I love it. I'm thrilled with it. And this is actually the second thing from Never Fully Dressed that I found recently. How crazy is that? Okay, I don't know if this works, but I've just thrown on a few things, a pair of trainers, a bag, just to kind of make it more of an outfit. I don't hate it. I don't hate it. There's a lot going on, but you know, when you're like, that's kind of the Never Fully Dressed look. Anyway, £5, blown away. Okay, Mary's just come to find me, which is my sign to say goodbye. Hello, that is my car boot haul. What do you think?